My name is Naomi. This is my friend Nofa. This is my hello. This is my sister Nadia. After eating the food, it's very delicious. We were like really waiting ba. And then like, guys, alam nyo, pumunta kayo dito kasi one of a kind talaga to na restaurant. Bye. Tapos like, pagpasok pa lang, ma-feel mo na like, hala, I am here, Drod. Na parang like, nagpunta ka na sa ibang bansa kasi iba, Drod, ang feel. Bye. Ma food look like a mess, pero don't worry, there's beauty in the mess. Ito yung kebab. It's very tender. Sarap, very soft and very tender. And then all the flavors are like perfectly seasoned. Perfectly seasoned. And then this beautiful thing, that's very massive. It can feed 3 communities in this state. I wish I had the stomach for this right now, but it's really delicious. The rice is perfectly cooked. You can take the basmati rice, and then sige, ikaw na.
I saw no.
Pero yun, yeah.